I'm Jennifer, and welcome to Salento. Today we're doing a tour of the home that we bought. So we're in Galatina, and we just closed on this home about 3 weeks ago, and we're getting ready to do renovations. So I'm going to flip the camera around and give you a little walkthrough of the house that we just bought, and we'll talk about the renovations that we're going to end up doing. Okay, so right here from the balcony, this is the kitchen. And we're going to keep it the kitchen. We have a beautiful ceiling. We're going to keep the plaster on the ceiling. We're not going to expose that because I think that it adds a really nice design feature. And we're going to remove the light from the middle so that we can repair the ceiling and have it be original the way that it was before, I guess before electricity, because this is a really, really old building. They're saying that this house and the nearby buildings were probably maybe 1500s, 1600s. That's not exact, so we're actually going to find out exactly how old it is. So I'm going to walk through. So this is the kitchen. I'll walk through and show you the master. So here we're going to have the doors. We'll still keep these to open up onto our little patio that we'll probably put a little table out there and someplace that we can just sit in the morning and enjoy the sunshine. And we have this little entry room to the master with this ceiling up top. It's stone, all the ceilings are stone, so we're going to expose this so that you'll be able to see the natural stone in here, and it'll also help with the damp issue that's in the ceiling, because it's a common thing that happens in these Italian homes, but they're really easily fixed. And this here, we're going to open up completely so that all the light from the doors, when we change the doors and replace them, all that natural light will come into the bedroom. And here, so we're actually going to do this. So I'll show you. We're going to keep that door, that's going to get all blocked off, so that'll all be a wall. And the master will be its own private, with one entrance and its own private suite. So here is the master, and here's the ceiling, and here's beautiful ceiling. And this room is so big. This will be actually the largest bedroom that I've ever had. Really big. And we're going to replace that window. And we think that on this wall, we're going to put wardrobe cabinets, and then we'll put the bed on this wall so that when we wake up in the morning, we can see all of the natural light coming in, so gets us out of bed, right? So, okay, and I'll walk through this. The room ahead of me is going to be the master bathroom. So they're opening up this wall to the arrows so that you can see over there. Then I'll show you on the other side. So we'll have a nice large entrance to the master bathroom. And then they'll be replacing this window to give us a nice view of outside, which is the ancient wall of the city of Galatina. That's a really, really old wall. And there's, if you look down below, there's a little ancient well, which it's locked. And I've tried to see if there's water in it or anything, but I can't see. And it's really pretty out there. So there's a little greenery and some nice old steps. So we'll have a nice view from our new window. And then on this wall here, we're going to make a whole shower. They're going to expose the ceilings in here also. So this will all be natural stone exposed. And they're going to remove all of the paint from those supports, because those are all stone also. And then it'll really look nice and pretty in here. And then that wall here will get opened up. On this wall, we're going to put a double sink. Right under the window, we're going to put a bathtub, a pretty bathtub. And I was thinking to put some kind of a decorative medallion on the floor in here just to make it pretty and dress it up a little bit. And then in here, we're going to have just the toilet and the bidet. And this was actually a fireplace. So they're going to open this up a little bit and take the door off so it'll all be open. So the heating and the cooling will just move in. It won't be separated, and it'll be nice and cool in the summer and warm in the winter, because we're going to do the in-floor heating. So we'll walk through and give you another view over there too in the corner. If you can see those little lunettes that they will remove the paint from and expose those so that they're natural. And but we are going to keep the plaster on the ceilings in here, because these ceilings are very elegant, I think, and they'll be really nice, just freshened up a little bit and kept the way that they are, in a nice, just beautiful design. So that'll get closed off. So we're going from the master, and those are the entrance stairs, and then back into the kitchen. So we're thinking of doing refrigerator, some countertop with cabinets, and then wrap around, oven, sink, countertop, you know, all the jazz. And then on this side, we'll have a really, really big dining table, because here in Salento, in Galatina, we've made so many friends. And I said, I need a really, really, really big table so that I can fit everyone out. So we're gonna need space for that. And then out here, in this little room, we're going to close this off with a door that we can still access the walkway that wraps around and takes us up to the roof. We're gonna put a barbecue, maybe a nice little pizza oven out here, and then a washer and dryer stacked in the corner. So come back in. And we'll go into the living room from the kitchen. So wave hello. My husband, Dennis. So here is, do that again. So here we're taking out all of the radiators. We're going to have in-floor heating. So we're planning on doing really nice sofas on this side, and then really big TV on that wall, dressing up the fireplace, and making this really nice homey room. It's, again, really, really large. And we're going to be exposing those lunettes on those ceiling supports. So all the paint will be taken off of those, and those will be natural stone again. We'll replace the window. And just the ceiling, just so beautiful. As soon as we saw that, we just fell in love with it. So unique. There's not very many like this around here. So as soon as we saw it, we said, oh, we just love it. You know, there's some things that you just can't build and you can't replace. So in the bathroom, so we're gonna redo this bathroom, and they're gonna raise the ceiling a little bit because the opening is really, I fit through it, but everyone else doesn't fit through it. So we're gonna change the window, and we're gonna make this all a shower on that wall, and then really nice toilet and bidet, a nice sink, and then just expose the ceiling in here also. So it's a little dark, it's a little cloudy right now, so it's hard for me to get a really good picture. But if you can see this stone ceiling, this barrel ceiling, they're going to expose that, and also the supports that are here. They're going to take the plaster off of those, and so that we'll be able to really enjoy the natural stone that's on these ceilings, because these buildings are so old and they're still standing, which is really nice. And okay, so coming out to the balcony. So from the living room, so now I just pan around and show you the balcony that's off the edge of the living room with the secret stairs that go up to the rooftop that we're actually not going to use. We're going to use the other stairs. But they're going to open this up, and I don't know if you can see, let me try to get a good picture. So the previous owners added this on the top here, all along that wall. It's not part of the building, so they're going to take it out. This balcony was actually outdoors. So we're going to make it outdoors again. We're going to take off all of this marble, and they're going to remove all of the old gas boilers and open this up and restore it to what it was when it was originally planned. So this is going to be a really nice special space. We'll probably put a little seat over here, and you could just sit over here and have maybe a cup of coffee or just enjoy the sunshine, read a book, something like that. So, okay, so now I'm going to take you up to the roof. And this is actually the view from our balcony, from the kitchen. We're going to go up these ancient steps. There's all stone. We have another little balcony over here. I think I'd like to make a little garden here that's kind of close to the kitchen. So if I want herbs or anything like that, I can just come up a few steps outside and grab that, and it'll actually make it nice and green out here. So you can see the old, really, really old balcony. You can see how old this is. I mean, I don't even know where to begin to see how this is, but it's really nice, really big space. So we're gonna keep you updated on that, because once they finish with all of the work, then I can get that done and I can show you my garden. So, oh, it looks like it might rain, so I'll do this quick. So here's the roof, and the whole roof deck, we're going to have them put decking down, and then we're going to add railing to make it safe, because it'll lift up the height of the deck, and we don't want anybody to fall off because it's a little high. It's a little ways down. So I'm going to deck all of this, put up all new greenery, and we'll have seating area. This is a really, really big roof deck. And then this I want to show you, because this is really special. So all the way up here on this roof deck, I really want to put a nice dining table, because that is our view. So once that's decked and it's raised up, that is a view of the property next door to us. And that's the ancient wall is down there too. But if you look at that, you get a nice view. It's really pretty. So I can't wait to start seeing the construction and sharing it with you. We're gonna be taking videos of all of the steps. So the doorways are really low in the house. And once they do the in-floor heating, that's going to raise the floor up. So they need to raise the doorways so that people can fit through. Otherwise, even me, I won't be able to fit through, because I'm short, but I'm not that short. So it looks like it's gonna rain now. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm going to keep making videos of our progress and all the construction once it begins. They said it'll begin in a few weeks. So in the meantime, I'm going to be updating all of my other videos that I promised in the first segment on the visas and moving to Italy. So if you like this video, click on the like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon. Take care.